Welcome to Kaumudy Global. In a significant ruling on reproductive rights of women, the Supreme Court held on Thursday that all women are entitled to safe and legal abortion till 24 weeks of pregnancy under the Medical Termination of Pregnancy Act, and making any distinction on the basis of their marital status is constitutionally unsustainable. This comes to be a historical decision. The groundbreaking judgment by the bench of Justice DY Chandrachud, Justice A.S. Bopanna and Justice J.B. Pardiwala also saw the court recognize marital rape, though purely within the ambit of abortion. The top court also said that the meaning of offence of rape must include marital rape for the purpose of MTP Act. A bench of justices said the rights of reproductive autonomy give similar rights to unmarried women as that to married women. The significant point of the verdict is that sexual assault by husbands can be classified as marital rape under the MTP law. Indian law does not consider marital rape an offence, though efforts are being made to change this. The bench in its verdict said the distinction between married and unmarried women under the abortion laws is artificial and constitutionally unsustainable. It further perpetuates the stereotype that only married women are sexually active. Under the MTP Act provisions, the upper limit for the termination of pregnancy is 24 weeks for married women. Special categories including survivors of rape and other vulnerable women such as the differently abled and minors. However, the time period is 20 weeks for widows and unmarried women who are or were in consensual relationships for following abortion under the statute. The bench delivered the verdict on the interpretation of the MTP Act and whether unmarried women or single women can be allowed, like their married counterparts, the benefit of abortion up to 24 weeks. The bench on August 23 had reserved its verdict on interpretation of the MTP Act provisions, which makes a distinction between married and unmarried women on the issue of abortion. Observing there is a need to fine-tune the provisions in the MTP rules, the top court had also said it would like to add a category of women who suffer desertion irrespective of marital status to the 7 categories of women eligible to seek abortion till 24 weeks of pregnancy. The centre, represented by Additional Solicitor General Aishwarya Bhati, had told the top court that discrimination, if any, is not in the act passed by Parliament, and if the court is willing to intervene, then it should do so in the MTP Rules 2003. Bhati, appearing for the centre and assisting the court on the issue, had said there is no discrimination under the MTP Amendment Act of 2021 and that categorization has been provided in the relevant rules under the Act. She had said experts have their own views on these issues and according to them, categorization has been done to avoid the misuse of laws including the preconception and prenatal diagnostic techniques, that is PCPNDT Act, due to sex determination of the fetus. Coming to the new judgment, a 25-year-old single woman's petition led to this historic decision. The woman had filed an appeal in opposition to a Delhi High Court ruling that she was ineligible for an abortion under the Act because she was single and the pregnancy had resulted from a consenting relationship. The woman claimed that she was 23 weeks along when the partner refused to get married. The woman had stressed that she lacks the resources to raise a child while stating that she is the oldest of 5 siblings and that her parents are farmers. On July 21, the woman was granted permission by the court to abort the fetus as long as a medical board found that doing so won't harm her. The bench had then declared that the word partner has been substituted for husband in the Abortion Laws 2021 amendments. This, the court ruled, demonstrates that Parliament did not intend to limit an abortion situation to just a matrimonial relationship. This historic judgment comes when women are fighting for different rights across the world. Experts expect this decision will have a far-reaching impact on how we think about women's rights under the Indian Constitution. But still, the impacts of the decision is awaited. I am Shreya signing off. If you like the video, please subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates.